Hello students, welcome to our online class organized by Radhika Online Coaching Center. Students, previously we are discussed about our nervous system, their neuron, and today we are going to discuss about the brain. Students, today our topic is the brain. Students, as we know that brain is a master organ of body because it control, functionate all over the body, all other organs. That's why the brain is here. I am going to just this. It is our brain is about 2% of total weight of body. And students, this one is a spinal cord. In later class we will discuss about the spinal cord, and there this is a small brain, that's why it is called cerebellum. This one is medulla oblongata. This one is pons varolii. This one is midbrain, and this largest part of the brain is known as cerebrum. Students, these are the 4 parts of our brain, and among them there are the lots of functions of different parts. We are going to write here the functions of the brain. Students, these all parts of brain have 2 different target functions. They have different function. That's why our body and our sense organs are controlled by it. I am going to write here. The first one is cerebrum. Cerebrum is responsible for memory power, memory, intelligence, recognizing. This is also responsible for response of voluntary muscles. This one is also responsible for hearing, touch. It means all sense organ is controlled by, all sense organs are controlled by this cerebrum. Now there is another part is cerebrum. Students, the cerebrum is another part of brain, and it is responsible for regulation of balance, and this is responsible for smooth muscles. Cerebrum is also known as the smallest part of brain. That's why it is responsible for judge the distance, and also when we have to stop, that is when to stop. Student, this is also called spinal brain, and it also control our different muscle tones. Student, different muscles are going to be controlled by this. And last one, this is also how we stand, how we sit. This posture, it means posture, balance our posture. Posture means when the position, when we sit, stand, these are the controlled by this brain. Another, there is one of the is that is our midbrain. Students, midbrain is known as Madhyam Mastik, and it is one of the, here is situated like between below the cerebrum and above the pons varoli. This midbrain is responsible to different types of function, that is impulse are centered and regulated, back forth to different types of brain and another organs, back forth to brain and another organs, or it means all organs. This is, students, our midbrain is also responsible for vision power, vision, hearing, and also it is a sleep cycle. These all are going to be controlled by our midbrain. Another, there is also it regulate our body temperature. Students, this cerebellum, midbrain. Another one is there, I am going to write here. These are our pons varoli and medulla oblongata. I am going to list it here. These are what types of function are going to be controlled by our pons. 4 number, pons varoli. Students, pons varoli, biting, chewing, swallowing. Muscles are controlled by our pons varoli, and the other also, it is responsible for secretion of saliva, it means real saliva, tear, etc. It is also responsible for depth and frequency of breath. Depth and frequency of breath. It means how long we have to breathe. This is also responsible for depth and frequency of breath. Another, there is the function help to look eyes side by side to side or side by side. It means in this way, when we have to move our eyes, this is also going to be controlled by it. Another one is 5, that is our medulla oblongata. It is one of our last part of the brain, and lots of function is going to be controlled by this part of brain, that is facial expression. Facial expression is also going to be controlled by it. It also transfer stimuli response. There are lots of another function. It also help to this is also help to vomiting, coughing. These types of activity is also going to be now controlled by our medulla oblongata. Another, there is respiration, cardiac cycle, etc. Another, it is also control our reflex action, different type of coughing, sneezing. These types of action is also going to be controlled by our medulla oblongata. Students, today we are going to discuss about the brain and their different types of parts of the brain, their function. These are going to be discussed here. This much for today. Thank you. Bye. See you. Meet you in our next class. Thank you.